Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the taskbar settings so you can change behavior directly. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings, or press Windows key, type Settings, then go to Personalization and Taskbar. If you plan to modify system-wide options, make sure you're signed in as an administrator. Otherwise, some switches will be disabled. Once done, you'll see the main toggles and layout preview on screen, which will adjust in the next steps. Now you'll refine what appears on the taskbar and how it behaves. Toggle use small taskbar buttons if you want more room, then choose taskbar alignment left or center to adjust layout. Make sure to enable or disable auto-hide taskbar based on whether you prefer a cleaner desktop versus quick access. Next, click Select which icons appear in the taskbar corner to control notification area items. This helps reduce clutter while preserving essential apps. Finish by personalizing finer options so the taskbar matches how you work. Enable or disable show badges on taskbar buttons, turn task view on or off, and choose whether the search box is visible. Arrange icons and pin apps, then right-click and lock the taskbar to prevent accidental moves. If settings don't apply, try ending and restarting Explorer. EXE in Task Manager. That reloads the shell and usually resolves persistence issues without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.